What's up guys, Justin here of Yugatech. And the Huawei MatePad 11 is making quite a lot of noise lately since it was released here in the Philippines. With its hard-to-ignore specs and new look with Harmony OS 2.0, this is something to really consider if you're in the market for a reliable tablet. So we made things a little easier for you guys by narrowing down its best features. Alright, let's get into it! Now, the first thing you'll notice with this tablet is of course its vibrant display. We get a 10.95-inch 2.5K screen with an 86% screen-to-body ratio and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, which is a first for Huawei's non-Pro tablets. As you can see, even if we get an IPS panel, the colors look accurate and vivid since it packs a DCI-P3 color gamut. This covers a wider range of colors compared to displays that only support sRGB color space. So creative visual work such as painting or sketching would be great on this one. Speaking of which, this leads us to our next top feature, which is the available accessories for the MatePad 11. To keep the productivity flowing, you can separately avail the second generation M Pencil as well as the Smart Magnetic Keyboard. With the 120Hz display, using the M Pencil 2 is pretty seamless. We didn't encounter any latency issues, plus it supports the free script feature, which allows users to write text in most text boxes using this stylus. It's pretty cool and I must say useful. Meanwhile, the Smart Magnetic Keyboard is a lot handy if you're planning to do any work or school assignments for that matter on the MatePad 11. It's not like typing on a laptop, but it sure is better than typing on the screen. The whole thing also acts as a protective case and it allows the tablet to be tilted at a variety of angles. Our next feature is something that you probably already guessed. I'm talking about Harmony OS. This MatePad 11 is the first more budget-friendly Huawei tablet available locally that's running on Harmony OS 2.0. It's a major factor since the OS is still not widely available, and based on our experience, it makes downloading third-party apps more convenient, especially with the Huawei Petal Search widget and the app gallery. While Google Apps are still accessed through the browser, but you can now easily download apps like Canva, Zoom, Microsoft Office, Mobile Legends, Gcash, Netflix, Nebo, Filmora Go, and many more through the app gallery and Petal Search widget. Surprisingly, there are now even some Google apps that you can download through the Petal Search widget, such as Google Chrome, Maps, Hangouts, and even Google Translate. And again, these are actual apps that work fine on the tablet. Another thing is that we didn't even encounter any problems when we downloaded benchmarking apps. This interface still has a few similarities to EMUI 12, but at the same time, you can't deny that it looks like Apple's current iOS aesthetic. Generally, it looks well organized, minimalistic, and multifunctional for your workflow. Moreover, if you're already in the Huawei ecosystem with a phone or a laptop, then you can take advantage of Huawei Share and the Multiscreen Collaboration feature on the MatePad 11. Basically, the Multiscreen Collaboration can help you boost your Huawei tablet and laptop accessibility with 3 different modes. The first mode is mirror mode that will literally reflect on the tablet the exact content that's shown on your laptop. With this, you can control your laptop with the M Pen on the MatePad 11 for signatures or even graphic design. Now, the second one is the extend mode. To simply put, this mode allows the tablet to be an extension of your PC so you can maximize having 2 monitors. Then the third option is collaborate mode that allows you to easily drag and drop files within the tablet and the laptop efficiently. And if you have a Huawei smartphone that's at least running on EMUI 10, then you can connect the phone to the tablet and effortlessly drag files and more. Moving on, in case you don't know it yet, the MatePad 11 is fully equipped with a quad speaker setup that are all tuned by Harman Kardon. The sound produced on this one is above average and is definitely well-rounded. Considering its price, I wouldn't ask for more. Now, if you're wondering if it can handle your day-to-day tasks, well, it sure can. Under the hood, we get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 accompanied by an Adreno 650 GPU and 6GB of RAM. With this configuration, using multiple apps at the same time as well as continuous gaming isn't a problem at all. When we ran it through the Antutu version 9, we got a very good score of 611,499. That's flagship grade performance. And yeah, there you have it guys. Those are the top features of this Huawei MatePad 11. If you're interested in buying this device, it's priced at 26,999 pesos and it comes with a bundled freebies including the second gen M Pencil that's worth 5,999 pesos and a MatePad 11 cover that's worth 999 pesos. We'll put the links in the description box if you're interested. Is this device worth it to you? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.